Hey fellas, listen up. You sabotaging your beard without even knowing it. Today I'm breaking down the top 5 beard mistakes that you might be making that's holding you back. And trust me, I've done some of these myself. If you're struggling with split ends, uneven beard growth, or your beard simply isn't where it needs to be, this is the video for you. But here's the twist. I need your help. While I share my top 5 beard mistakes, drop some comments below and let's build a cheat sheet for the entire Urban Ice Code community. After all, this isn't just about beards. This is about building confidence, health, and staying sharp. The last tip by far is the most effective. Make sure you don't miss it. Mistake number 1, using cheap tools. Look at this. You see this flimsy plastic comb? It comes free with your trimmer. Yeah, it sits on the shelf of the dollar stores. Don't get it twisted, don't get it confused. This is a silent killer to your beard. You see, there's jagged edges in between the teeth. And these things are like razors when it's combing through your hair. You've seen it, you know what happens. You comb through your hair, you're slicing up your beard, right? Just like a razor, just slicing it up, causing split ends, frustration, and other issues. This, no. Here's what you need, a quality tool, a quality comb. This is a wooden comb. It's gonna set you back a couple dollars, about $10, but this is probably gonna outlive your trimmer. Now, this has 2 sides. It has the wide tooth side and a close end. The wide tooth is what you're going to use. Now this is made from wood, it's polished and very smooth, so when you comb through your beard, it's not going to snag and slice that beard hair up, causing those split ends and breakage. One more tip, always comb your beard when it's damp, not when it's soaking wet, not when it's bone dry. This is going to make your beard more moldable, easy to comb, preventing less breakage from combing your beard. Now listen, now, before we get into the next tip, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already done so. This is your one-stop shop for all things men's grooming. Now, let's get into the next tip. Mistake number 2, using low quality products. Listen, fellas, not all beard oils are created equally. Now, when you read your list of ingredients, if it lists silicone or mineral oils, stop using it immediately. This is only coating your beard, not nourishing your hair. That's like adding a Band-Aid and not fixing the issue. Here's what you want to look out for. Natural ingredients like grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, argan oil. These are going to mimic your skin's natural oils like sebum, helping your beard to grow healthier and softer. And don't even think about trying to use products just specifically for your head that does not include your beard. Listen, your head and your beard are 2 different regions. Your scalp is thicker, it produces a thicker type of oil. Your face, or where your beard sits on your face, is thinner, there's less oil there. So you want to make sure the product that you use on your face is going to have the right pH balance so that it can help nourish that beard. If it's too hard, it's either going to add too many oils or strip the natural oils, causing for your beard not to grow properly. Mistake number 3, ignoring your internal health. You've heard it before, what goes on the inside reflects on the outside, and your beard is no exception to the rule. Let's start with the basics. Water. If you're not drinking enough water, your beard will let you know. It's going to be brittle, dry, and growing patchy. These are signs of dehydration. Here's a simple rule. Take your body weight, cut it in half, and drink that many ounces of water daily. Stress? That's right, stress is another beard killer. High levels of stress can cause hair loss, slow growth, and patchiness. So you want to find ways to decompress. Going to the gym, meditating, whatever your hobby is, you find your thing to help you decompress. And don't forget about your diet. You want to make sure you're eating foods rich in vitamins such as zinc, biotin, omega-3. This is going to help you have healthy hair growth. And now your beard becomes a dashboard light for whatever's going wrong on the inside will show on the outside. Mistake number 4, over trimming your beard. Hey, listen, I get it. Those little flyaways, the overgrowth, you want to trim them. Trust me, man, I really get it. But it's real simple. You don't need your scissors to trim them down. You just need to make sure you use some good product and that wide tooth comb, and you style your beard. That's going to help you. For instance, you can use a blow dryer or a heated brush to train that unruly hair to go into the position that you would like it to go in. And while we at it, let's talk about beard goals. If you're trying to grow a bigger, healthy beard, you don't want to touch your neckline or your cheek line. This is going to help your beard grow to its fullest potential. But if you're looking to have a shorter, smaller beard, you're going to make the adjustments accordingly. But you don't want to go too far deep into your neckline and too deep into your cheek line for one of those bigger, healthier beards. You cannot trim your way into a big beard. It ain't going to work. And finally, number 5, caring too much about what people think. Listen, man, this is your beard. You cannot have beard envy, and you cannot let others dictate to you how your beard should look, whether that's your mother-in-law, your brother, or your partner. This is about building confidence. A healthy relationship is all about support. If your beard makes you feel good and makes you feel happy, it's building up your confidence, you got it. Again, work with your barber. Find the style that looks best for you for the shape of your face. And trust me, if you follow these tips above, you're going to be all right. And there you have it, my top 5 beard mistakes to avoid. What mistakes have you seen? What mistakes have you done? Drop some comments below and let me see what's been going on. Let's keep this conversation going. Hey, listen, this is a community. Your comments could help save somebody years of frustration or inspire somebody to start their beard journey. Until next time, stay sharp.